My name is Letitia Letsulo. I work for one of the state departments. I'm here actually representing the state-owned enterprise public forum on the part of the organizing committee for the All About Public Procurement Awards. The SUF, as it's mostly known, standing for the state-owned enterprise public forum, it's really all about the forum for all the state-owned enterprises coming together to share the knowledge, collaboration, and really advancing the profession of the procurement within the public sector.
Audio Jungle.